Hey guys, it's Rebecca with Lake Tawakoni RV Center. Come with me to check out our 2022 Forest River Salem Grand Villa 42 FLDL. This one's got 3 slides equipped with slide toppers, 1 massive power awning. You've got dual entry, your sliding glass door. Come into the kitchen, nice kitchen island, 3 burner stove top, full size fridge, a little coffee bar. Over here, you've got a nice size pantry. Electric fireplace. Couch folds out into a bed. You've got 2 recliners. Table for 2. 50-50 sink. Come back here. There's your bathroom. Alright. You got a nice shower with a seat. Plenty of storage for towels. Got a nice vanity. Storage underneath. Medicine cabinet. Alright. Let's go upstairs into the loft. You've got loft over here with some storage. And then you've got 2 beds up here. And then you got storage over here. All right. Let's go take you down to the master suite. All right. This is a queen size bed. It could fit a king if that's what you're looking for. A 5 drawer dresser. Got washer dryer hookups, closet space, and then you've got 2 more drawers down here and some more hanging area, of course. Overhead storage. You guys have any questions with the 2022 Forest River Salem Grand Villa? Give us a call.